And the annual tractor show in my town is about to begin. And for once, I'm on time. Please check it out. I will be signed for most of it. But we start with the Italian antique tractor. Now that is nice. Check that out. Check that out. This is quite the show. I waited a whole year to film this, and I'm going to film it all. I am very, very happy for this show. I hope you all are. I'm not a farmer, but I got a lot of respect, and you know, in my old age, I wouldn't mind becoming one. Seriously, like, you know, I like this. I like this. I like this. I like this. There's a good feeling watching this stuff. Believe me, there's a great feeling participating. It feels like I'm driving one, eh? I'm in Italy. I'm in the province of Montepulciano, the province of Siena. I'm on the main road. I live 20 meters away from here. I don't know if that's a tractor though. I don't know what that machine is. I don't know what it says. Whoa, that's a nice one. Look at that tractor. Look at that. Look at that. All right. Must be a turbo. Must be a turbo. Whoa, that's a nice one. That's a Fiat power tractor. I am happier. I'm not gonna say I'm happier than a picture, but I'm really happy. Believe it or not, I don't know about you guys, but I like this. I promised I was gonna be quiet, but guys, how can you be quiet? Look at that. Look at that. Look at the machinery. I don't know what type of thing that is, right? I don't know if it's a tractor. Whoa, look at this one. What is this one? It's a wedding. It's a wedding. Whoa, that's a nice tractor. Wow. Incredible. 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 Incredible machinery, people. Whoa, no, that's a fast one. That thing is fast. It had to catch up. Guys, I hope you're into tractors, because I'm going to bomb you with tractor videos all day. Now that's a nice tractor. That's a nice tractor. I hope they do this even tonight. So I'll show you guys one in the dark. People, it's nice. It is nice participating. I'm serious. It feels like I'm actually driving one. I need to drink many beers after this. People, I feel like having a barbecue and a beer. That's a monster. What is that? That's a big tractor. This one is huge. That is... Whoa! That thing is loud. Good sized tractor. But I am waving at everybody, yeah? I'm showing respect, yeah? I'm showing respect. I will wave at everybody. I guess these are modern tractors, yeah? Guys, it's almost at the end. And this is the annual. The annual. That's it, guys. I hope you like our parade. Best parade. Best parade. Best parade we have. That's the last one. That was the last tractor. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.